Come here all the time, guys. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful. Look at that. There's even a little house up on the hill. Didn't notice that until just now. And this is part of the park with the river going through it. Very beautiful. Look how high the water is, guys. Beautiful. Got the old Astro there. How old do you think that tree is, guys? Let me know in the comments. And while you guys are at it, like the video if you like nature, if you like travel, chilling in the park. I bet there's bull sharks down in that water. Wonder if anybody's ever caught one. Well, anyway, guys, we love you. It's getting a little chilly. Our air conditioner or heater inside the van's not working, and Shelly's getting cold. So I just wanted to share this experience with you guys, because it's absolutely a wonderful opportunity to share something beautiful even on a rainy day. Until the next time, take care of yourself and each other.